McKenna Kitty. Hey guys, it's me, Sammy V, and today we are replacing, again, my wheel bearing hubs on my 1999 Toyota Solara. So let's get started.
We should go grab a fly. Jeez. Hold on.
Fuck. None of my tools are in my car because of the fucking mice. Everybody knows that story. My mouse story.
Yeah, if you don't know it, then you can look up my video on this.
Link. My mouse story. You will not be disappointed.
22.
21.
You're 21. Other way. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, you're right.
Ow! Is there an easier way to do this?
No, but you probably shouldn't stand on your hubcap.
It's fine.
Fine, I'll stop helping.
Where's the Ugga Dugga thing? So much quicker.
Kick it.
Kick it?
Yeah. Top and bottom. Don't pull it. Don't, not like that.
Okay. Why?
Because you'll pull it off the jack. Just keep kicking it. Let it rotate a little bit. Kick it again. Rotate it. Kick it again.
Is that what you do?
Yep. Well, mine don't have their C's on. Pretty much exactly like that. There you go.
Inspect the tire.
What are you looking for?
Wear marks, cracks, and anything that looks out of the ordinary, I guess. Good.
So what I'm doing is I'm going in right here and I'm prying against the rotor and the C. All you're doing is pulling it and you're squishing the piston back in. All you're doing is until it's loose. So you can move the pads now.
Okay.
That's good. I'm gonna undo the bolt on the back side of the caliper.
7 to 12. Did you do it already? All the way?
Yeah, all the way. Try not to bend your pad though.
Not bending it.
This is gonna be a fight all the way.
Is that enough?
Oh, it's gotta go all the way. So you go as far as you can there. And what you can do is come in underneath. You want the flat side against the rotor because you don't want to dig into it. And just pull it up.
Can I do it?
gotta push. We're gonna have to wiggle that up and down and get it to slide off that pin.
This pin?
Yes. We're gonna have to clean that because that should not be that hard.
Oh my god. How do we do that? Can I do it? Just wiggle it?
What?
Just wiggle it?
Up and down, yeah. Just try not to get too aggressive with it.
I don't think I could. I don't know.
Just gonna do this.
I don't remember it being that bad. That hard. Is it always that hard?
No. That's what happens when they start seizing.
What's seizing?
This pin. You know how you have like a tool and part drop-off zone?
Yeah.
Mine is right beside the jack. The last thing I want to do is snap that off. So what I'm taking off now is this little holder.
Okay.
For the brake line.
Okay.
So there's two that hold this bracket on. There's one down here, and there's one up here. Nice. There we go. There, now we should be able to get her.
Nice.
Voila.
Eee, the moon.
You want to hold this up as you're twisting that side down. Yep, right. Exactly what's going.
Ow!
Okay, hold the bottom, take this, and wiggle it back and forth like that.
Okay. What am I wiggling?
Okay, so what you're feeling for, I'll hold it. Take this and just wiggle it. Feel like clicking? Just
Okay, like barely? Like a hair of a hair?
So that 2/1000th of an
No
inch.
way!
Yeah. That 2/1000th of an inch in this little point doesn't feel like very much. But when you get it to here, that's a lot.
But my tires didn't show where.
No, which means you caught it before damage happened.
Sure?
Okay, do the same with this one. Nothing.
I don't feel anything.
Exactly.
Hi, bud! Squiggle!
Hi.
Oh, so cute! How tight?
Tighter than that. It's probably going to be about like 50, 60 foot-pounds.
Oops, I did that backwards. Fuck. No!
What'd you do?
I jacked it off before I loosened the lugs.
Well, they're not tight anyway. You should be fine. Well, you have to use a ratchet. Like, they're snug, they're just not cranked in. Neat tip. When installing new calipers, or calipers in general, it really helps in the bleeding process to push the piston out about 3/4 of the way, and then you pour brake fluid in the back where the line connects. And you make sure to get all the air out of the caliper first, so that when you go to relieve, not necessarily all of it, but as much as you can, that way, when you go to actually bleed the brakes, there's only a tiny little bubble that has to actually be pushed out. That's it.
Is that good? Hmm? Oh.
Let off. Press it again. Okay, hold it there. Okay, you're good.
Wait. Why is there a spare bolt?
Oh, yep.
Where's it go?
It attaches that into there.
Did it come with a nut?
Nope. No, it threads into it. Believe it's the one that's on there already. No? It might be the next size.
No, yeah, no, it is.
You don't have to go super tight on it. About as far as it goes.
Okay. Stretch. And that's how you change a wheel bearing on a 1999 Toyota Solara. It's always a 2-day thing. Oh well, we did it. Ow. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I don't know. Bye.